What if you could learn how the worlds behind your favorite games, movies, and even real-world simulations are created, directly from the artists who build them? I'm talking about environments, from massive open-world landscapes in games, to cinematic VFX shots, to real-world applications like roller coaster design, and even self-driving car simulations. There's an online event coming up that's entirely focused on this: 3D environment art. It's happening April 7th, 8th, and 9th. And the best part? It's completely free to sign up. You can check out all the details and register right now at ice.art. What makes this event really interesting is that it's artist-centric. That means it's not just theory, it's real workflows, real insights, and real experience from people actually working in the field. Whether you're into game development, film and special effects, or even industries you might not immediately think of, like theme park design or autonomous driving, this event connects all of it through environment creation. So if you're a 3D artist, an aspiring environment designer, or even just curious about how digital worlds are built, this is definitely worth checking out. Again, it's April 7th through 9th. It's online, and it's free. Head over to ice.art to sign up and secure your spot. And who knows, you might walk away with new skills, new inspiration, or even your next big idea.